page 28. Speak now.
Okay.
Can you see our book?
Yes.
Pong, can you see our book?
Yes.
Hello.
Why I
I
can't hear
can.
you? Is there any problem with your internet, your laptop, or headset?
Um. No. Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, I can hear you now. That's good. Okay, so are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so um what are you doing now? Hmm? Pong,
Yes.
what what are you doing now? Look at this word that I underlined.
Study.
Ah,
Study.
okay, so study. All right, so you can say
I am studying.
I am studying.
Studying now.
Okay, very good. I am studying now. Okay. Answer by telling exact time or approximate time. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so what is the time there now?
Mm,
What's the time there now in Vietnam?
um. Vietnam
Eh,
is 9:34.
in the evening.
Evening.
Okay. Alright, so now I can ask about time. What is your rating for yourself? Very well. I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Very good. I can tell time. What is your rating for yourself? Very well, or I need more practice.
Very well.
Okay, very well. Very good. Okay. Now, page 17. Would you try kayaking? Look at this picture.
Uh,
Do you know what is kayaking?
it's kayaking. No.
Yeah, well, let's just see what is kayaking.
Oh, yes.
Hmm?
Mm,
You already know what is kayaking?
yes.
Okay. So, what is your opinion about these words here? All right, so choose two words and then give your opinion, okay?
Okay.
All right. So what do you want to choose? Swimming, table tennis, reading, or surfing? Choose two.
Surfing. Surfing
Surfing.
and swimming.
Okay, surfing
And
and
swimming.
swimming. All right. So we will discuss first about swimming. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So what is your opinion about swimming? What can you say about swimming?
Um, um,
Do you know how to swim?
Yeah.
Okay, so in swimming, what part of our or what parts of the body of our body that we need to use in swimming?
Uh,
In swimming, you can start saying in swimming,
in swimming,
we will use
we will use uh,
hands and
hands and legs.
okay, hands and legs. Very good. How about in surfing? What is
Surfing
the
in
main thing that we used in surfing?
the board.
Okay, very good. The surfing board. Okay, so do you know how to surf?
Yes,
Wow, do you really know?
yes,
Have you even tried?
uh, yes.
Okay, wow, that's good. Okay, very good. Now I can ask for opinions. Rate yourself very well, or I need more practice.
Very well.
Okay, very good. How about I can give opinions?
I
Very
need
well,
more
or
practice.
okay. Alright, very good. You've got a perfect score here. 4/4. Very good, Kong. And I will give you a clap. Okay. Alright, so this time we are going to discuss all about vocabulary, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so do you have any brothers?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to, or I need to ask about family and you need to describe family members, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so how many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
How old are they?
Mm, Um, uh, they are they are 15 and 21.
Oh, you have older brothers, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, are you ready to answer this question there below? So, can you
Okay.
please read this? What?
What do we call our family members? Um,
Right?
write the letter of the correct definition next to the words.
Okay, very good. So you need to only choose the letter, okay? Write the letter or choose the letter of the correct definition next to the words. Alright, so these are the words and these are the definitions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what is number one?
E.
What is
F. F.
okay? F. What is in letter F?
Brothers or sisters, daughter.
Okay, very good. Number two.
Aunt.
Okay, aunt.
Fathers or mother, sister.
Letter.
Letter C.
Okay, number three. What is number three?
Um, Um, G. J.
Letter G. Oh,
G. Is G.
is it G? Nephew? Like that?
Yes.
Okay, how about number 4?
Um, Grandparents. Grandmother and grandfather.
Is it letter?
Letter B.
How about number 5?
Uncle.
Uncle.
Uh, uncle. D. Father's or mother's brother.
How about in number 6?
Um, A. Mother and father.
7?
Um,
Okay, what is number 7?
E. Brothers or sisters. Son.
You answer brothers or sisters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we will check your answers. Niece. Niece. A daughter of one's brother or sister. Okay, what is your answer? Letter F. Okay, this is correct. And number 2, aunt. The sister of one's father or mother. You answered correct. Nephew. You will try to know. Nephew. Nephew. Niece is female and nephew is male. Okay, so nephew is brothers or sisters, son. So this will be letter E, okay?
Okay.
Number 4, you answered grandparents with letter B, grandmother and grandfather. This is correct. And number 5, uncle. Uncle is letter D, fathers or mothers. Brother, very good. How about number 6? What is your answer for the parents? Hmm? What is your answer? Letter A, mother and father. Okay, so number 7 is cousins. So it must be
G.
what? Okay, G. Oh, sorry. This is letter J. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's good. That's not bad. Okay, so you've got answered correctly, and I will give you a thumbs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, do you understand the meaning of each words or vocabulary words?
Yes.
Okay. I hope next time you already know what is nephew. Okay. Again, what is nephew?
Nephew is brothers or sisters. Son.
Okay. How
Son.
about cousins? How about cousins?
Cousins. Um, is aunts or uncles' children.
Okay, so do you have a lot of cousins?
Mm, yes.
Okay, both sides for your mother and father, okay? Alright, so we are going to do this activity. Alright, so take turns asking and answering the questions. How many do you have? Or use the words above, okay? Alright, this one, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Kong, so you are going and I, teacher, will have a pair work, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I will be letter A and you will be letter B. Alright. How many brothers do you have, Kong?
Uh, I have two brothers.
Okay.
And how many brothers do you have?
Alright, so you said you have two brothers. And then you will ask me also, how many?
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers. They my one brother is the other. Oh no no no. My one brother is 21 years old, and our youngest brother is 14 years old. Okay.
Okay.
So I am the eldest siblings. Okay. Do you have sister also?
Yes,
How many do you have?
I have one.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one.
Okay. All right, so we are now in conversation. So we are going to listen the City 125. So what is the topic all about or what we're going to do? Listen.
Listen, how many sisters does Teresa have? How old is Teresa's brother?
Okay, listen. How many sisters does Teresa have? How old is Teresa's brother? Okay, so from that conversation in the picture, from this conversation, we are going to listen first so that we can understand it, okay? And after that, we will going to, or you will going to answer, okay?
Okay.
City 25. This is pick one. Is this the right one? Are we now speak one? Okay, speak one. Eh,
Lesson 9. Do you have any brothers? Page 22. Conversation. A. Listen. How many sisters does Teresa have? How old is Teresa's brother?
Hi, Teresa. Did you get gifts for your family yet?
No, I have no idea what to get my sisters.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
Why don't you get them keychains?
That sounds good. And now something for my brother?
You have a big family. How old is your brother?
He's 12.
What's his name?
His name is Sebastian.
Okay, so do you really understand the conversation?
Yes,
Okay. So this time we are going to practice, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so you will be the Nate and I will be the Teresa, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so in one, two, three, go. You will be the
Uh,
one to.
Hi, Teresa. Did you get gifts for your student? For your family yet?
No, I have no idea what to get my sisters.
How many sisters do you have?
I have three sisters.
Why don't you get them kitchens?
That sounds good. And now something for my brother.
You have big family. How old is your brother?
My brother is. Oh, no, no. He's 12.
What his name?
His name is Sebastian. Okay, so the question here is how many sisters does Teresa have?
Um, she have three sisters.
Okay. And how old is Teresa's brother?
Um, Teresa's brother is 12.
Okay, very good. So the answer here is 12. Look at this one. Okay, so what is the name of his brother?
Um, his
Ba-
name is
oh,
Sebastian.
Sebastian. Mhm. So what do you think Teresa's family? Is it big or small?
Is big.
Okay, very good. All right, so I hope you understand our lesson very carefully. Kong, do you have any questions regarding our lesson from here?
No.
Okay, so if you don't have any questions, then I must say that you listened attentively and you answered correctly all the questions that was given to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so we will be having so in letter C, listen, write the changes you hear about the bold words. Practice the new conversation. But before that, I would like to introduce you our next lesson will be the in the language booster. Okay, so this will
Okay.
be the end of our lesson for today. See you again next time, Kung. Good night. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Have a good